As winemaking continues to evolve, so too does the GSM blend. From organic and biodynamic farming practices to the exploration of new regions and winemaking techniques, the future of GSM wines looks bright, with many exciting trends on the horizon. Sustainable and organic winemaking. More and more winemakers in regions like the Southern Rhone, Australia, and California are adopting sustainable, organic, and biodynamic practices in their vineyards. These methods prioritize soil health, biodiversity, and the reduction of chemical inputs, resulting in wines that are seen as more authentic expressions of the terroir. Sustainable farming is becoming particularly important as winemakers face the challenges of climate change, which is affecting growing conditions in many regions. Low intervention winemaking. Another trend gaining traction in the world of GSM wines is low intervention or natural winemaking. This approach minimizes the use of additives, such as commercial yeasts or sulfites, and emphasizes traditional hands-off winemaking techniques. The result is often a more raw expression of the grapes, with greater variability between vintages, but also the potential for unique and distinctive wines. Exploration of new regions. While GSM blends are traditionally associated with the Southern Rhone, Australia, and California, winemakers in other parts of the world are beginning to experiment with this classic blend. Regions such as South Africa, Spain, and even parts of South America are producing high-quality GSM blends that showcase the versatility of Grenache, Syrah, and Mourvèdre in different terroirs. As winemakers continue to explore new regions and refine their techniques, the GSM blend's global footprint is likely to expand further. Innovative blending techniques. Winemakers are also experimenting with innovative blending techniques, sometimes introducing other Rhone varietals into the mix, or adjusting the proportions of Grenache, Syrah, and Mourvèdre to create new and exciting expressions of the blend. For example, some producers are focusing more heavily on Mourvèdreto, create deeper, more age-worthy wines, while others may increase the proportion of Syrah for added structure and spice. Key points. The future of GSM wines is marked by trends in sustainable and organic farming, as well as low-intervention winemaking, which focuses on more natural, hands-off methods. GSM blends are expanding to new regions, with winemakers in South Africa, Spain, and South America creating exciting new expressions of the blend. Winemakers are exploring innovative blending techniques and experimenting with different proportions of Grenache, Syrah, and Mourvèdre to produce unique, distinctive wines.